YouTube channel TKF Electronics. So today I have got for repair Bose Companion 5 multimedia speaker system. So this is the one. So let's check out what's the issue in this. I will put it on now. So this is for the controller. This is for the two speaker. This is for the power supply. So I will put it on now. See, it's on. See guys, only the subwoofer is working. This two speaker is not working. This and this. Only subwoofer is working. So now we'll check why this two speaker is not working. Only subwoofer is working. Okay guys, now we'll check it out why this two speaker is not working, this and this. So guys, we'll take it out this one. So we'll put another speaker connector over here. Just check wire for checking purpose. See guys, now we'll check one more step. So only subwoofer is working. This two is not working. So we'll check step by step why this two is not working. So see guys, now I'm putting another speaker. See, it's working. See, it's working, this one. See, it's working. But when I'm connecting the original speaker is not coming. With the original speaker, it's not coming. So the problem is with the speaker only. So we'll check the ohms of the speaker. So guys, now what we'll do, we'll remove this one. This grill will remove this one net. So we'll check the speaker, the condition of the speaker, whether they are having ohms or not. So step by step we'll check that also. So slowly we'll take it out this one. So keep watching my video. Just open this one, just press little like this. You have to push little hard. It will come. You have to put little hard. Sometimes it will be same here also. This is some glue. Sometimes glue is there. Sometimes so it's come out. So sometimes stick glue will be get collected across this point. Here and here, so we have to put little pressure to remove this one. So now I took it out. Now we'll check we'll take it out this speaker, this four screw here. So we'll take it out this. We'll check. So guys, we'll take it out the two speaker. I already removed four here. It's total 8 screws. So we'll check it out now. This is the speaker here. This is the speaker. So we'll check the ohms of the speaker. See guys, there is no ohms. I should get some ohms. You cannot hear any buzzer sound. So speaker coil is open. Same here also. See, no ohms. So what we will do, we'll remove another set also. This also will remove it out and check the coil, ohms coil. Push little pressure, then it will come out. Both side one time only. See, it's come out. So we'll remove again this 4 screw here, 4 screw here. So guys, I remove out all the 4 screws of this side also 4, total 8 screws. So we'll take it out, this one. This also. So now we'll check the ohms of the coil. See guys, this also not showing any, and this also. So it means that the all four speaker coil is open, that's why we are not getting sound. So what we'll do, we'll give all the 4 speaker, these 2 and these 2, for repairing to the speaker repair shop. If you find original good quality, it's a Bose company only, original Bose company new speaker is well and good. If I didn't find, so I had to get it repaired from the speaker repairing shop. So I will get it repaired, then we'll check it out how is the sound. Keep watching my video guys. So guys, we'll take this out. So 1 speaker, 2 speaker. So we'll give this for repair, all 4 speaker. Be careful with the polarity plus minus. You have to I already marked that one. So you also do the same thing. You have to mark plus and minus everything carefully. So guys, now I have already removed. So we'll give all these 4 speaker for repair, and we'll fix it back after repair. Well guys, after few days, after 2-3 days, I got back my repaired speaker. So I got it repaired, this one. So now we'll check the coil ohms. So it's okay or not. See guys, so I'm getting almost 4 ohms. See, all coil is okay. So before it was showing no ohms, so it means all okay now. So now we'll fix this all repaired one in the satellite speaker of Bose. Just keep watching my video. So guys, now we'll solder this one. Here. This is okay. So now we'll solder this also. This is repaired one. So actually original and after repaired, there's a slight difference will be there in the audio quality. So you have to satisfy that, because we will not get the original tune, but it is audible. It's okay, you can use this one. Otherwise, if you're going to buy the new one is not easily available. You have to get it from Bose and it's very expensive. So like this we can use it. So guys, no thing is, you have to use it. What to do? We will fix this back. It should be like this, and this will be like this. Should be. Now after that, we have to fix the speaker. A slight difference will be there. We will solder all the time like this video. So guys, I fixed the two speaker in this. So now we'll fix another one, the repair speaker. This one. We'll solder this one in this. So guys, I already soldered the speaker. So we'll fix it back. So guys, we already fitted back everything. So we have fixed both the repaired speaker. So guys, see this one. So now we'll put the cover back, this one. I already fixed it, cover everything for both. So now we'll connect it to the system and check. So guys, we'll fix it now. So we'll check one by one, all one. So I put it on now. See guys. So we change the speaker. See, I remove. This is the bass subwoofer. So I'm putting now. This satellite speaker one. I remove out. This satellite speaker for. See, I'll put this also. Okay guys, it's working fine now. So thank you very much for watching my video. Like it, share it, and if you have any comments, please leave it on a comment box. Take care, bye bye, see you.